Logging into WordPress sites quickly and safely is something every website owner should know, especially if you want to avoid the hassle and stay secure. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most secure ways to log into your WordPress site. Stick around until the end for a special offer that will make this process even easier for you. First off, let's get the basics down. The most common way to log into a WordPress site is by heading to your site's login page. You can usually do this by adding .wp admin or .wp login.php to the end of your website's URL. For example, if your website is mywebsite.com, you'll type mywebsite.com wp admin into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your username and password. Now, here's a quick tip. If you want to avoid typing your login URL every time, you can bookmark it. This will save you time and ensure you get straight to the login page without any extra steps. If you're worried about keeping your login secure, and you should be, using a strong password is crucial. But even better, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, like a text message or authentication app, before you can log in. For an even faster and safer way to log in, you can use a password manager. This will not only help you store and fill in your credentials automatically, but it will also generate strong passwords for you, so you don't have to worry about remembering them. Many password managers also have a fill-in feature, which means no more manual typing of your login details. Next, let's talk about plugins. There are some great plugins available that will help secure your login even further and speed up the process. For instance, plugins like Limit Login Attempts will protect you from brute force attacks, while Loginizer adds features like CAPTCHA to make sure you're not a bot. These plugins are easy to install and will help secure your site without slowing it down. Now, if you're using any form of social login on your WordPress site, like Google or Facebook login, this can make logging in much quicker, but it also requires you to properly configure these settings. You can link your social media account to WordPress through various plugins like Social Login or Nextend Social Login to easily sign in without typing out your credentials. Finally, if you want to streamline your login even further, you might consider using a tool or software specifically designed to save time and improve your login security. We've tested some of the most popular options, and there's one I highly recommend. If you want to follow along and try it for yourself, I've included an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. This free trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway from today's video is to make logging into WordPress quick and safe by using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and utilizing tools like password managers or plugins for even more protection. And if you want to simplify the process even more, make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description. Quick revision. First, access your login page by adding .wp admin to your URL. Second, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Third, use password managers for automatic login and strong passwords. Fourth, install security plugins like Limit Login Attempts for extra protection. Lastly, consider social login options or specialized software for even faster access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below.